something, y'all. We're missing Gengar. He's a Pokemon. I think he's gonna. We'll do one with him and one without. I'll just show you. But first, we'll do one with him. He's right. All right. 3, 2, 1, take off. Alright, now no Gengar. I'll make sure that's done. That is the end of this video. Make sure to like and please subscribe, because I need more subscribers. If you